Okay, folks, it is January 7th. We are in Playa del Carmen, and I'm going to give you a walking tour of Quadra Alea, which is the name of our condo. Here we go. This is the front entrance. It's guarded. There's underground parking. This beautiful entryway, which stretches from this end all the way down there. Reminds me of the entryway at Porta El Mar last year. Our unit is in the back of the complex. I'm going to be taking a somewhat circuitous route there because I want to show you some of the other high points. But there's 80 units total here, and it's a beautiful grounds, extremely well kept, which I'm thrilled about. Green, 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 lots of stuff flowering, and clean, 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 which I also love very much. I think I made a wrong turn. Anyway, that's the workout center over there. You see through the window, kind of in there, but anyway, that's not a big deal yet. I may never ever visit. Back here, we're along the back wall of the condo, and I had intended to walk past the pool, but I went the wrong way because I haven't walked around the grounds yet. I'll have to do another circuitous lap. Here's the direction to the pools, I believe. We'll see if I'm right this time. This is one of them. And our unit is on the top there, right up there. It's very nice. You can see the pool has several depths and access points, stairs. It's very nicely done. I hope Amory enjoys it. Let's see if I can find my way back to where I was going. I may not be able to. It's kind of funny. Now I've gone both ways around that building. There's the front where we ended up with, where I started out at, rather. And let's see if I can get back to the right direction. Because again, our unit is up there on the top. I'd really like to get to that before I lose my audience's attention span. So bear with me, it's coming. This walkway goes all the way around the property, and the owner suggested we use it for our walks because it's safe and nice and green and walled in, and it's just a beautiful place. This is the back of our building, the Muyal, however you pronounce that building. You can see the thatch up there on the top. I'm going to pause it while I take the elevator. After you take the elevator out on the 3rd floor, it opens directly to our room, which is 302 Quadrilla. And here we go. Now we turn on some lights. That would be good, huh? And show off this place. This is the living room, smart television, theater seating. There's multiple porches here. This is our view out of the living room. And Marie's napping over there. I'm not going to disturb her. And that porch is usually shaded, of course, because it's got a roof on it. Surrounded by greenery. It's just beautiful. It's a great view. There is a table in here that I've set up my stuff on, and the room features some very interesting graphics. That one really grabs me. And this one up here, which I'll show you from upstairs, that really is up my alley. That is so cool. The kitchen is well appointed and clean and modern. You couldn't ask for more. It's got the laundry and the refrigerator and the dishwasher and the range and the microwave and beautiful all natural woodwork in the entire kitchen. That doesn't suck. So that's pretty nice. And then there's also a half bathroom here. Then upstairs, these guys put in railings for Anne Marie, which was super nice. Our landlord, Al Schnur, is just the best. His wife Ruby is even better. This is the thing I was talking about downstairs. Check that out. That is so cool. We're gonna go to one of the main bedrooms here. This one, I'll open up the windows so you can see. I just had them closed for keeping it cool. So we have several more porches up here. Same view as downstairs out of this one. Different appointments, but same drill. Just a cool space. There's a hammock and a great view. From this side of the bedroom, you step out directly to the pool, which I'll show you in a minute. So that rocks. And then you also have the master bathroom, which has oodles of closet space. Bing, 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 bing. Tons of closet space. And they also put in grab bars for Anne-Marie in the shower, which is awesome. There is a jacuzzi whirlpool here as well, which we'll probably utilize. Very nice sink. And then in the other bedroom and bathroom, I better turn on that light too. Well, we'll open the shades. This bedroom opens directly onto a patio as well. And this is where some of all that square footage comes from that we were talking about. Tons of space here under a pergola, covered pergola. So true patio. And over here, the pool, which I'll get to shortly. This bedroom also features some beautiful woodwork, television, 2 beds. And they look like queen size. And a very nice bathroom with a super cool shower that has not one, but two heads on it, a rain shower head, and then a handheld. And again, they put in grab bars for Emery to get over the threshold, which was super nice. I can't say enough good things about our landlord. So there's that. And now for the piece de resistance, we go outside. It's about 85 here today in Playa del Carmen, which is pretty standard for this time of year. Sunset right over there every night or thereabouts. And again, more railings installed for Amory's safety here by the landlord, which just impressed the living daylights out of me. Here's a shower for the getting out of the tub. Just water falls down on you from above. And the tub, not the bathtub, not the tub, it's the pool. This pool is about 4 feet deep. Has a ladder going in along with a rail for Emery's safety. And right over the wall, there's the rest of the compound down there. And it's got some cool tile that glows like abalone or something. And you get right down into the other bedroom from this side of the pool. The fence has this stuff on it so birds don't poop on it. And this is the view from this side of the pool, which I gotta say, ain't nothing wrong with any of that. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Sorry it took so long of 12 minutes.